pollen wall or sporoderm. The pollen wall is a complex multi-layered cell wall that protects pollen from environmental stresses and helps with cell-to-cell recognition during pollination. The structure of pollen wall. The pollen wall of angiosperms typically has two layers, an outer exine and an inner intine. The exine is made up of sporopollenin, while the intine is made up of cellulose and pectin. The pollen wall containing two layers. Outer layer is called exine, it made by sporopollenin, and inner layer called intine, it made by cellulose and pectin. Exine again divided into two sublayers. One is sexine and nexine. Sexine is a outer layer of exine. Nexine is a inner layer of exine. Sexine again divided into two sublayers. They are tectum and baculum. Tectum is a outer layer of sexine. Baculum is a inner layer of sexine. Based on the presence of tectum layer in angiosperms, the pollen grains are divided into four types. They are atectate pollen grains, semi-tectate pollen grains, tectate pollen grains, supratectate pollen grains. Atectate pollen grains means tectum layer is absent in sexine layer. Tectum is absent. The type of pollen grains are called atectate pollen grains. Semi-tectate pollen grains. Tectum layer is in the form of reticulate structure at outside of baculum called semi-tectate pollen grains. Tectate pollen grains. Tectum layer is present at outside of baculum. Supratectate. At outside of baculum, tectum layer is in double called supratectate pollen grains. Nexine again divided into three sublayers. Nexine 1, it is also called foot layer. Nexine 2, Nexine 3 layers. Below the Nexine 3, intine is present. Intine again divided into two sublayers. One is ectointine, another one is endointine. Ectointine is an outer layer of intine. Endointine is an inner layer of intine. Below the endointine, plasma membrane is present. We start from the outer to inner of pollen wall. Outer is tectum. Second layer is baculum. Third layer is nexine 1 or foot layer. Fourth layer is nexine 2. Fifth layer is nexine 3. Sixth layer is ectointine. And seventh layer is endointine. Below the endointine, plasma membrane is present. If we identify these layers in the diagrams, it shows like this structure. Mainly the pollen wall shows exine, intine. Exine is a outer layer. It again divided into two sublayers. One is sexine and nexine. Sexine is a outermost layer of exine. Nexine is a inner layer of exine. Outside of sexine, ornamentals are present. Sometimes hairs, sometimes spines, sometimes globules are present at outside of sexines. They act as the ornamentals. Nexine is inner layer. Sexine is outer layer. Sexine again divided into two sublayers. One is tectum, baculum. Tectum presented outside of baculum. Based on the presence of tectum, the pollen grains are divided into four types. One is atectate pollen grains. Maybe tectum layer is absent in that pollen grains. Semi-tectate pollen grains, the tectum layer is arranged in a reticulate manner. Tectate pollen grains, tectum layer is present. Supratectate pollen grains, the tectum layer is in double called supratectate. Below the tectum, baculum is present. These two layers, these two sublayers belongs to sexine. And the nexine is the inner layer of exine. It again divided into N1 is also called foot layer, N2 nexine 2 layer, N3 nexine 3 layer. Below the nexine 3 layer, intine is present. Intine again divided into two sublayers. One is ectointine, endointine. Below the endointine, plasma membrane is present. It is about pollen wall. Exine layer made by sporopollenin chemical. Intine made by cellulose and pectin chemicals. It is about pollen wall structure and chemical composition in angiosperms.